Guys, can you guess? I'm in Dehradun in Uttarakhand. Hello guys, I'm Savvy and welcome to my travel channel. At this moment, I'm in Uttarakhand in India. You know why Uttarakhand is known as Devbhumi? Because of its natural beauty, the divinity and the spiritual vibrations. And this time, we are in a very special place. The name of the resort is the Punarnava Resort. It is not just like any other resort. It is actually a luxurious wellness destination situated in the forests very close to Mussoorie. You can say that it's situated somewhere between Dehradun and Mussoorie in a very good location among the lush green trees, birds, mountains, nice swimming pool, good food and what not. So in this video, I am going to share what I experienced in the Punarnava. So let me know your feedback in the comment section below.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
Just a month back, we shared our travel guide from Mussoorie and we trekked to the top of George Everest Peak. You can see George Everest Peak from here. So there are many places, some of the viewpoints, some of the chai snacks corner, some of the properties I think we have already visited while being in Dehradun and Mussoorie. I think we are getting familiar with the place. One of the best thing in Punarnava is their balcony. The balconies are really spacious as you can see here, and look at the view of the jungle and the mountains, the sunrise and the sunset. Look. Amazing pool. It is quite a big one. It so much looks like you are in Bali somewhere because of the forest area and then the mountains. The view is amazing and the resorts and the cottages are this side. So I think this is one of the best part of Punarnava. Wow. I'm going to spend more days and more time in the pool. What say? the jungle and the mountains. It's amazing. I'm having a very good time here in the pool. I took a fresh shower. It's time for my coffee. I am so hungry and it's time to have amazing food. This is paneer. We have a mushroom, roti and rice. Simple vegetarian. It's already dark and I'm going to do something really special. I'm just outside the cottage here and it's like in the middle of the jungle, so you have that vibe and ambience, and we are going to do barbecue. I'm not sure if you can see the trees and the jungle area. I feel a little scared, but Anki feels all these things are really adventurous, but I'm feeling good, I would say. With bone chicken है ना?
With bone है, ये boneless है.
Boneless है. That's mushroom. This is paneer. So I'm already excited. तो भूख लग गई मुझे. So almost बन गया है. तो फटाफट प्लेट में लेते हैं and taste करते हैं. टेस्ट किया जाए. It's really good. It's simple, tasty and well done. Well, this is my drink. Can you guess what it is?